Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on XLK, Apple, and Facebook on the daily and the weekly time frame. So we got the follow through that we were looking for from Friday, after Friday was pretty much the most bullish day that we had seen in 2 weeks. So continuation, but one thing that stands out is a lack of volume, and we saw lack of volume across the market. So it's not that glaring here in the tech sector, but what that tells me is there's not a lot of powerful momentum behind this move. Volume is our prove it indicator, and right now bulls are not really proving it with the volume. So we are still looking for a lower high to form compared to 56.72. We still have a lot of space to get to that level, and we did close fairly strong. So we'll see if the bulls can show up again, but we are looking for a bearish reversal candlestick, I would say tomorrow or Wednesday, to indicate that our higher low has been set. The bulls have tired themselves out on this bounce, and to be looking to consolidate from there. What happens from there is we're going to pull back. The bulls will attempt to form a higher low and then a higher high to clearly reverse the trend, but in terms of whether that's going to happen or not, can't say, and I'm not going to try and guess. I'm going to watch and see the kind of volume we see on the consolidation, see at what point do we form our bearish reversal candlestick and lower high, assuming that that's what's going to happen, and then we'll take it from there. So just patiently watching. Can still play the sector and individual tech names bullish. Just want to be cautious and quicker because I do anticipate our lower high to be set here on the daily time frame in the near future. Weekly time frame, bullish reversal candlestick last week. Trying to confirm it this week. We have to close pretty much here or better above the exponential resistances for the bulls to be looking to confirm this candlestick. Middle Bollinger Band holding as support. That's at 54.34 and ascending. Good sign for the bulls that that's holding. And we'll take it from there, just watching for that lower high to be set. Apple today, upper wick of profit taking. Same story with most individual tech names as well. Just looking for that lower high to be set. So our high, the lower high, is 148.28, and we're looking for another lower high compared to that level. So the upper wick, maybe this is our lower high level. We're going to have to see how tomorrow reacts. We have 145.95 as resistance. If we cannot break that level tomorrow, odds will increase that that is our lower high, and we'll be looking for a bit of a pullback. That being said, the volume was a bit more notable on Apple than it was on the market and in the tech sector as a whole. So that's worth noting, as is the bullish MACD cross. So I would not be bearish Apple right now at this point, but I'm also not too comfortable bullish these tech names. I want to see clear bearish reversal candlesticks before I'm comfortable being bearish short term the tech sector. And again, just looking for day trades for the bulls from here because we have seen a couple days of green and we are anticipating that lower high. So the weekly time frame for Apple is still weak. We lost the middle Bollinger Band. We're rejecting from exponential resistances. We're back testing and pulling back from those levels. So the bulls this week, ideally, if we can close over 146 and turn those weekly moving averages into support, that would give them some momentum heading into next week. But again, a lot remains to be seen with 4 trading days left to go. A lot of things can happen, and we are going to be looking for this weekly candlestick shape to certainly change by the time we hit the end of the week. Facebook on the daily time frame is our lead tech bull. Amazon's right behind it as number 2 tech bull, and we are seeing big time follow through. So we saw the strength on Friday. We saw the bullish reversal candlestick on Thursday, bull break Friday, follow through here now today, solid volume. So here as well, we're not seeing the drag in volume that the sector as a whole is seeing. On the verge of a bullish MACD cross, and the only resistance left is the high of today and the all-time high. Those are the only 2 levels I'm looking at. So 153.98, 156.50, bulls very much in control, and we are looking up towards that level. So the weekly time frame extremely strong. We have not lost exponential support at this point. Long lower wicks with bulls buying the dip and then seeing continuation, and we're looking for that same strategy, or not strategy, the same, what am I trying to say here? Same thing to play out. So bullish reversal candlestick, and we didn't even really need a bullish reversal candlestick because we never confirmed any bearish reversals. But after consolidation, bulls buying the dip and now seeing follow through to the upside. So Facebook, keep an eye on this lead bull. New all-time high coming sometime in the near future, in my opinion. If we do see the tech sector as a whole set a lower high and pull back, we will likely pull back just under this all-time high, have to set a higher low before we set our sights on looking for a new all-time high. So that's what we've got on the sector as a whole. A bit cautious here. on swing positions bullish. Certainly can still play day trading bullish as long as we're protective of our trades. And we'll check back in tomorrow and see if we get those bearish reversal candlesticks, which I do anticipate either tomorrow or Wednesday. Thanks again. See you soon.